맞아요.
Golenginaw to Guba. Guba to three. Short. Rebound by the Kitty. Double general. And there is a goal. Same goal. It's a kicking violation. Kitty to Studio. Kitty now. Signal the play. Drop pass to Gomez. Gomez now. Attacking in the side. Calling at the boys. The first basket of Barangay Balansay. And now Guba crossing to the midcourt. Guba now being harassed by Hagon Togolenya. And there is a blow. Sinbong. It's a 15 second shot lang. And now Alapris, the big man of Barangay 2. Guba. Isang Guba now. And to Geronimo, another big man, Radishan, Black by Custodio. Geronimo now, to Golenya, isang Golenya, being harassed by Gomez. Guba, short, rebound battle, the big man, Sarabia. Sarabia now, attacking, short. Rebound battle number 21, Gomez, the big man, Sarabia, short. Rebound battle, Golenya, Geronimo. And now Gabanan. And the whistle. First try, short. Ang score for natin, tuto natin. Second try, Gabanan is in. Barangay 2, under the supervision of Honorable Dolce, Honorable Joel Dolce. Al-Halcon to Kitty. Kitty now. Skirbiton Cortuna. Guba to Golenya. Golenya now to Guba. Bingaras by Kitty. Lokay receiver to Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Golenya to 3. Bang! Barangay 2. And now Kitty. Presenter. Isang Kitty now. Lokay receiver. Halcon to 3. Short. Ibandado ng Geronimo to Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Gabanan now. Jump aside. Short. Rebound battle ng Custodio to Gomez. Gomez now attacking. Black by Geronimo. Rebound battle ng Geronimo to Golenya. Golenya now to Gabanan. Isilod Gabanan now being harassed by Custodio. Gabanan now being harassed by Custodio. Trap pass. 7 minutes more to go. And now Guba to Alapris. Alapris now control ball. Jump aside. Short. Rebound battle ng Gomez. Gomez now looking his receiver, pass to the court general. Kitty now, the 3-point territory. Kitty, run short. Rebound battle ng Golenya. Isiran Guba, lays up. Going to 2 points. And now Kitty. Custodio, number 1. Custodio now. Top by Gabanan. Still on Guba, being harassed by Kitty. Kitty now. And now Geronimo to Alapris. Alapris now looking sa receiver. 10 seconds to shoot. Alapris, check ball by Hagon. Gomez now, control the ball. Gomez, check ball by Guba. Guba to Golenya. Golenya now. Geronimo, back to Golenya. Attacking. And now Kitty. The free throw line, calling out the points. 9-5, 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Isang magandang gabi po sa ating mga taga-municipal police station. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And now Custodio to Kitty now. Trapas to Gomez. Turnaround shot is in. Sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay 2. And now Guba. Taka 3. Short. Rebound battle ng Custodio. Custodio now. To Halcon. Lays up. Calling at the boys. 9-3. Baba sa isa. And now Geronimo. To Alapris. The left-handed. Alapris now. And the whistle. And now Kitty. And the left side to Gomez. Gomesao. And the side, Gomez receiver. Tugustuyo. Tekol. Battle Alapres now Tuguba. Isenang Gubernao atake Gustuyo. Isaka. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Dos and now Adrian Gustuyo. Ising double gain to Halcon. Halconao. And the 3-point territory. Jagger short. And now Kitty for the ball is in. 13 to 10. Mabasa tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Dos and now Guba. Signal in the play. Isang Gubernao looking is receiver. Guba to Golenya. Golenya out. Palaway tackle by Costudio. Costudio now attacking. Lays up is in. 13 to 12. Baba sa isa. Alangan ng Barangay Dos. Now Guba. Babawi siguro ang Barangay Dos. To Gabanan. Gabanan to Alapres. Talip-halip. Attacking. And now Halcon. Lays up is in. Quarter. 14 to 13. Isa po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Guba. The 3-point territory. Guba. Trapas. Barrera. Ayos kitik. To Gustuyo. Gustuyo now crossing to the midcourt. Isang Gustuyo now looking sa receiver. Pass to Halcon. Halcon now to Gustuyo. Kitty. Drop pass to Gomez. And now is the first for the foul. And now Gomez for the bunting. Drop pass to Gustuyo. And the shot. Another number 24 mark for the first quarter. And now Gabanan. Isang Gabanan back to Guba. Isang Gubernao Pingarasway Gomez. Alapres sa 3-point territory. 10 seconds to shoot. Alapres. Marquisano. Sa Jamal. A ball push for the first quarter. And now Gustuyo. Tekol. Alapres to Gabanan. Gabanan now. Talip-halip. And now is a no. Gabanan is in. The first team that scored this game, 14 all. 14 all. Kidik. The dribbling. Kidik now. Looking sa receiver. Isang Kidik. Jump aside. Korea the boys. May using the board. 16 to 14. Dalawang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Guba. Gubernao. To Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Side step. Korea the boys. 16 all. 16 all. Barangay Balansay under the supervision of Honorable Barangay Captain Honorable Randall Pedraza. And now Guba. Crossing to the midcourt. Isang Gubernao. Pingaras by Gomez to Alapres. Alapres to Barrera. Attacking. Korea the boys. Lamang ng dalawa. Ang Barangay Dos. 18 to 16. And now Custodio. Attacking. Korea the boys. 18 all. Pinagkakalay ang score na bawat sa. And now Gabanan. Isang Gabanan nag-limit. Gabanan now to Barrera. Barrera to Marquisano. Marquisano pass to Alapres. Alapres now. 5 seconds shoot. Korea the boys. 20 to 18. And now Halcon attacking. Second for the team ball. A bonus shot awarded to number 5. Halcon in. 20, 21. Lamang ng isang Barangay Balansay. 1 minute 57 seconds for the first quarter. And now Guba. Isang Gubernao pass to Barrera. Barrera back to Guba. 10 seconds to shoot. Gabanan to 3. Shot. Rebound pa rin ng Marquisano. And now Marquisano na control the ball. And now Custodio. To Custodio. And now Gabanan crossing into the midcourt. Gabanan. Calling in the 3. Bang! 23, 21. Custodio out. And now Golenya again. Golenya to Gabanan. Gabanan lays up. Golenya to boys. 24-21. Take ball by Parera. Parera now to Golenya. Golenya now. Golenya to Martisano. And the whistle now. And now Custodio. To Kide. And the left side. And the whistle now. Offensive foul. And now Cabanan. Custodio. Isang Custodio now. Lays up. Corrigato points. 30 seconds remaining. 25-23. Dalawang kalamangan ng Barangay Dos. And now Cabanan na 3.33. Isang Cabanan. Check ball by Halcon. Halcon out to the captain. At Custodio. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Attacking. And now Golenya. To Cabanan. Drop pass to Geronimo. Check ball by Halcon. Halcon out. Drop pass to Alin. Alin to Custodio. Pagangan to Golenya. Isang Golenya now. Tinggalas by Custodio. Trapaso. Geronimo. Geronimo now. Golenya the three. Bang! 28-25. A 3-point lead by Barangay Dos. And now Kitty. To Halon. Babawi ang Barangay Banansay. Short. And now is a goal. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. And now Kitty. Easy Kitty now. 10 seconds. Run shot. Ito center is in. 28-27. 1.8. Barangay Dos. And now Cabanan crossing to the midcourt. Cabanan now. Pingaras by Custodio. Isang Cabanan. Cabanan to Golenya. Golenya now drop pass to Geronimo. To Parera. Golenya to points. What a nice communication in between. 30-27. And now Kitty. Pingaras by Golenya. And the whistle go. On to Custodio. The captain. Turn around shot. Golenya to points. 30-29. 1 point lead by Barangay Dos. 8 minutes for the second quarter. Pulls up. And now Cabanan, the 3.33. Isang Cabanan. Parera. Pagangan. Golenya. Geronimo. And the whistle sa trap. Mainit ang panahon. Baka po yung nakakaramdam ng kakaiba dyan. Magsabi na agad sa katabi. And now Kitty, the 3.33. To Custodio. Custodio now, pingaras by Cabanan. Halcon the three. Bang! Ang dalawa, ang Barangay Banansay. 32-30. Cabanan. Golenya. Geronimo the side. Short. Badan Halcon. Halcon now to Kitty. Check on by Parera. Parera now. And now Cuba. To Golenya. Golenya now. Ala please. For the second quarter. And now Kitty. Crossing to the midcourt. Kitty now. To Custodio. Isang Custodio. 14 seconds to shoot. Kitty. Side step. No. Naman badan Geronimo. To Cuba. Isang Cuba now. The 3.33. Ala please. Cabanan. Cabanan now. At the net. Black by Geronimo. Check ball by Custodio. To Gomez. Lays up. Corrigato points. 34-30. Apat ang kalamangan ng Barangay Banansay. And now Cuba. The 3.33. Isa rin Cuba now. Bingaras by Alapres, 10 seconds to shoot. Alapres na 3. Shot. Ivan Badran, Golenya. Golenya now. Alapres, attacking. Drop pasok kapanan. Kumain ka to boys. 34 to 32. Dalawang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Kini to Hagon, back to Edith to Custodio. Gomez up. Ivan Badran Custodio. Attacking is in. 36 to 32. And now Cuba, the 3-point territory. Iserve Cuba now. Fingers by Gomez. 10 seconds to shoot. Golenya. Cuba. 5 seconds. Golenya attacking. Race of sin. 36 to 32. Apat ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. At 34. 36-34. Custodio. Oh. Check one. Gaya please. Indaw kabanan. Talet handed. Isunod kabanan now. Isunod kabanan. Ibigay kay Geronimo. Geronimo na yung 15-foot line out. Check one by Cuba. Isunod Cuba now. Pass to kabanan. Boom, the three in. Golenya in the three out. Guba pass to kabanan. Isan kabanan. Golenya lays up out. Ivan Badran Gini to Custodio. Isel Custodio now to Gomez. Seconds remaining for the second quarter. Cuba in the 3-point territory. Pass to Alapres. Alapres out. Running shot. And the receiver is a 3-80. And now Kitty. To Custodio. 10 seconds to shoot. Custodio. Albao. Wala. Nawa niya.
Juper, mga alay Juper.
Beautiful. To Geronimo. Isel Geronimo now. 10 seconds to shoot. Beautiful. Geronimo. Gabanan check one by Kitty. Kitty now. Pass to Custodio. Custodio out to Kitty. And now Kitty to Custodio. Custodio now to Pedraza. Perimeter shot. Shot. Ivan Badran Geronimo. To Beautison. Gabanan. Alapres. Just the three. Shot. Ivan Badran Sarabia. Alapres out control the ball. Attacking Custodio. Tapis in. 39-30. Isa ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Kitty now control the ball. Isa ng Kitty. Kaya pass to David Ben Sarabia. Is up. And there is a goal. And Sarabia in the center. Wala. Happy viewing to Mr. Jack Muling Bayan. Nasa sunog lang yan. Geronimo. Bagangan. Wala. Iwan ba ng Custodio. Custodio daw. Watiwag. Rally siya dito center. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Madrid. Madrid to Beautison. Beautison. Attacking. Sa kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Watiwag. Pedraza in the side. Wala. Nakuha Pedraza. Isa ng Pedraza now to Bagangan. Bagangan to Beautison. Beautison now 15 seconds to shoot. Attacking Custodio. Short. 41-30. Tatlo ang kalamangan. 2 minutes remaining for the second quarter. And now Madrid. Madrid to Beautison. Beautison now. Madrid is in. Got a nice communication between Nice ka natin, 41-40. And now, Geronimo. Signal to Will. Geronimo, atakin! Wala! Bagalan! Seconds. And now, Gomez. Drop pass. Dapat. And now, Beautyson. Beautyson, tugon sa lahat. Geronimo. Geronimo, tupagalan. And now, Watiwat. Isa lang Watiwat. Tuyanson. Gomez. Perimeter shot. Kulang na points. 43-42. Lamang lang isa ang Barangay Balansay. 55 seconds, second quarter. And now, Madrid. It's a traveling. Patang lahat ng bata dyan. Lahat ng mga po dyan. Pasuyo. Para sila lahat ng bata dyan. And now, Halcon. Running shot. Out. 43 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Iyan sa Gomez. Kuling ka to boys. 45-42. Tatlo ang kalamangan. 30 seconds remaining. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 25. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5. Second half. And it's a traveling violation. That's out. Gomez out. Robles, number 14. 47-42. 5-point lead, Barangay Balansay. And now the captain, Custodio, using the ball game. Isang Custodio now. Atakin! Correct the points! Kargado ng pitos. 49-42. Pito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Guba, the 3-point 3-3. Chakating! Bang! Sa apat. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Now the captain, Custodio, the 3-point 3-3. Isang Custodio. Tokiti, drop pass. Tuhagon, and there's a go. 3 seconds. And now Guba, and the 3-point 3-3. Isang Guba, pingaras may Hagon. Guba now, pass to Martisano. Perimeter shot. Kunin ka to boys. Sana isa. Piso. And now Custodio. Ataking. Number 01 Custodio. First try. In. Malamang magandang manting ito bukas. And now Sarabia for the second. Custodio. 50-47. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Guba. Bagangan ke side. Short. Iman Badran. Robles. Kitty. Control ball. Perimeter shot. Out. Iman Badran Halcon. Custodio. Ataking. And goal. Richard awarded to Serwan Custodio. Stepping. Martisano to Guba. Isang Guba to Alaprisa. Alaprisa, ataking! Wala! Martisano! Banana! And the 1 point, 52-48. 52-48. This is our third quarter. Third quarter po tayo. Kitty, drop pass to Custodio. And 34-40. 55-40. Pito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Guba closing to the midcourt. Guba now, pingaras by Hagon. Guba, pass to Golenya. Jump aside. Short. Big rebound. Raiko Studio. Pass to Halcon. Lays up. Wala. And now, Kiti. Control roll. Isang Kiti now. The pass to Halcon. Wala. And now, Raiko Studio. 7 minutes more to go for the third quarter. And now Guba. In the 3-point territory. Isa Guba now. 8 seconds to shoot. Golenya. Lays up. Wala. Naman Madran to Studio. The midcourt. Alapris. And now Studio. Studio now. Contra the ball. Take ball by Geronimo. Isang Geronimo now. Paso Alapris. Alapris is in 57-50 pito ang lamig court. Isang Kiti jump take ball by Alapris. Alapris now attacking lays up balak by Golenya. And now Kiti pass to Halcon. Short. Follow up by Robles is in. 5 minutes more to go for the third quarter. 59-52. And now Guba in the 3-point territory. Isang Guba now being harassed by Halcon. 10 seconds to shoot. And now Halcon. Trapas to Kiti. Trapas to Halcon. Matalas communication in between. And now Guba to Alapris. Alapris now crossing to the midcourt. Alapris now attacking. Short. Golenya. Gabanan. Attacking. Gusto now. To Kiti. Binalas by Golenya. Kiti now open the ball. Signal the play. Easy. To Studio. Attacking. Calling the points. 61-52. 5 minutes more to go for the third quarter. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Drop pass to Alapris. And ang Alapris. Check ball by Kiti. Kiti now to Robles. Into the midcourt. Guba now. 3-point territory. Geronimo. Tumbagangan at Gabanan. Jump aside is out. Gabanan Madran Alap. Custudio. And now Halcon to Custudio. Custudio now. Side step. Pareho to boards. Labing tatlo na ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Gabanan. Isang Gabanan to Alapris. Alapris out. Perimeter shot. Out. Reban Madran Custudio. To Kiti. Kiti now. Robles attacking. Wala. Reban Madran. Barrera to Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Challenging Kiti. Sampo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 65-55. 3 minutes more to go for the third quarter. Ito ang ating 6th and last game tonight. And now Gomez. Jump in the center. Short. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan. Geronimo in the side. Short. Reban Barrel Custudio. Check ball by Gabanan. Gabanan now. Bingaras by Halcon. Isang Gabanan. Gabanan now. Attacking. And there is first try is in. 3 minutes more to go for the third quarter. Second and final throw is in. 65-57. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan. And now Kiti. Pass to Gomez. Gomez now. Take ball by Golenya. And there is second and final throw Out. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Now, perimeter shot. Out. Ibang malulog gusto yun din. Drop pass to Sarabia. Sarabia rin. Mula pa rin. And the Ramon. And the miss. And the Gabanan. Tugulenya. Isang tuloy na Bigaras by Gomez. Pass. 10 seconds to shoot. And the Geronimo. Attacking. Corrigato points. 67 to 60. Ito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. 2 minutes for the third quarter. Chakmal by Galenya. Tugabanan. Isang Gabanan na control ball. Gabanan attacking shot. And now Baganan. Tag. Geronimo. Lukoy si Siner. Tag. And then anim ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. And now Custodio. The captain crossing to the midcourt. Isang Custodio. Bigaras by Baganan. Isang Custodio. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 5 seconds. How can the be? 70 to 61. 1 minute and 18 seconds. And now Geronimo. Being harassed by. And now Galenya. Isang Galenya. Take ball by Custodio. To Halcon. Run shot. Corrigato points. 72 to 61. 1 minute remaining for the third quarter. And now Barrera. Galenya. Geronimo. The center. Shot. Baganan. Under net. Shot. Even Madran Sarabia. Sarabia now to Custodio. Custodio to Gomez. Bigaras by Barrera. Gomez now. Halcon. Tavis in. 35 seconds remaining. And now Galenya. Control ball. Galenya. Gabanan. And now Alip to Kitty. 25 seconds. 20. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. And now Galenya. Guba to Gabanan. Gabanan to Lapris. Short. Alapisaw to Galenya. Guba na 3. Bang! 76 to 65. Now, pass. Uwat-iwat. Kitty. Trapas. Alip. Agalat. Wala pa rin. Ang idol ni Ryan Tilasquez. And now Gabanan. Attacking. Corrigato points. 76 to 67. Baba sa siyam ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay and now Kitty. Signal to play. Isang Guba. Lokoy si Super. Chata 3. Short. Gabanan. Gabanan to Guba. Guba now. Attacking. Corrigato points. 76 to 69. And now Custodio. 15 seconds to shoot. And Custodio. First line, ball position. Sama-sama. Custodio, second. Petro. Out 26-69. And now Custodio. Control the ball. And now Guba. Trapas, Torben. Alapisaw. Isang Alapis. It's a counted foul! Ito, baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. 8 minutes more to go. And now, Kitty, the 3-point territory. Isang Kitty now. And we can see foul number 50. The 3-point territory. Lois Isiber, pass to Alapris. Alapris now, drop pass to King. Last touch on Falcon. To Kitty. Isang Kitty na the 3-point territory. Check ball by Alapris. Alapris now. Golenya. Jumps in. Golenya now. To Gabanan. Isang Gabanan now. Lois Isiber, pass to Guba. Guba now. Golenya. Alapris. Attacking. Golenya to points. All 76. All 76. 7 minutes more to go. And now, Watiwat to Gomez. Gomez now, Luis Isiber. Gomez to Custodio. Custodio now. Drop pass to Acon. And the 3. Shot. Diban pa rin Alapris. Alapris now, to Guba. To Gabanan. Isang Gabanan now, Luis Isiber. Nangharap ng discard. Gabanan. Geronimo. Count the 3. Shot. And the whistle now, 76, all 76. And now Watiwat, the 3-point territory. Watiwat now, looking si Siber. Watiwat to Gomez. Gomez. For the second and final draw. Talaga nag-iiyawan ang pass ng Baronitos. Second final draw. Out. Ruban battle ni Geronimo. Pass to Gabanan, to Guba. Isirin Guba now. The 3-point territory, looking si Siber. Hasten Guba. 10 seconds to shoot. Out. Eban Badran Custodio. Custodio na kumplit ball. Atake yung block. 76. 6 minutes more to go. 6 minutes more to go. Second rise, 78 to 76. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. And now Guba to Gabanan. Gabanan to Golenya. Golenya na complete ball. 10 seconds to shoot. To Gabanan. Changapi. Shot. Iban ba din Geronimo? Geronimo now. Pass to Golenya. Guba. Nakapot, nawala. And the whistle now. Gomez save by 80 to 76. Apat ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. And now Guba in the 3-point territory. Guba now, signal the play. Pass. Geronimo. Chance 3. Shot. Iban pa rin Geronimo. Isang Geronimo. Running shot. Pareho points. Baba sa dalawa. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. 80 to 78. And now Watiwat. Bingaras may Gabanan to Gomez. Gomez. Kaya na shot. Out. Iban ba rin Guba. Pass to Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Pass to Golenya. Atake. Wala. 80. All 80. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. And first try. Out. All 80. All 80. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. All 80. Short. Nagmadaling Gabanan. Gabanan is delivering crossing to the midcourt. Gabanan now signaling the play. Pass to Beautison to Barrera. Barreta Geronimo. Geronimo to Barrera. Running shot. And the 3. Naman ang tatlo. Block by Geronimo. And now Beautison. Pasok Gabanan. Lamang ng tatlo ang Barangay 2. 83 to 80. 4 minutes more to go. And now Geronimo. Pass to Barrera. Jump aside. Shot. Ball position. Gusto Ginaw. Crossing to the midcourt. Gusto Ginaw. Being harassed by Gibson. Drop pass to Gomez. Check ball by Barrera. Barrera now to Gabanan. Another turnover. Tatlo ang lamang ng Barangay Dos. And now Gabanan. Isang Gabanan. Perimeter shot is in. 85 to 80. Lima ang kalamangan ng Barangay Dos. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. And now Kitty. Perimeter shot. First try is out. Parang kulang sa langis kulang sa langis. Baka tumukot ng collecting run. Ha? Mamaya ay, dalawa na. Bigat. Kitty for the second and final draw is in. 85, 81. And now Beautyson signaling the play. Isang Beautyson pass to Alapris. Alapris now looking si Siber. Pass to Beautyson. 10 seconds to shoot. Gabanan. And now Alapris. Attack. Out. Gabanan Robles. Robles now control the ball. Crossing to the midcourt. 3 minutes more to go. It's a try more to go. And now Beautyson signaling the play. Easy. Beautyson now signaling the play. It's a Beautyson. Gabanan. Chachaki. Bang! 88 to 81. 88 to 81. And now Custodio. Custodio now running shot. Out. And now Barrera. Pick up the ball. Barrera now to Alapris. Alapris to Beautyson. Lamang ng 7 ang Barangay Dos. 88-81. And now Barrera. Signaling the play. Pahingay ka muna. 10 seconds to shoot. And now Gabanan. In the play. Shot. Ivan Badan Gomez. To Custodio. Nice up. Saluhan Custodio. Custodio. First try. Out. Malamang murang paisin bukas sa Barangay Dos. Murang paisin. Second try is in. 88-82. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Congressman and Mayor's Cup 2025. And the whistle 1 minute and 53 seconds. Beautyson out, goal line. Coach ng team, advance timeout, advance stop lang po tayo. Hindi namin i-accommodate ang pahabol. Isang timeout na lang ang Barangay Dos. 5 seconds to shoot. And 40. Custodio, first free throw. First try in. Second and final throw. Is also in. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan. 88-84. 88-84. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. And now Gabanan. Isang Gabanan na control ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Isang Gabanan. 5 seconds. Gabanan the three is in. Bless. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Halcon attacking. 22 points. Bumawi agad. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 91-86. 91-86. And now Gabanan. 10 seconds to shoot. Gabanan the three. Shot. Ivan Badan Gomez. 91-86. Custodio. Dump is in. 91-88. 10 seconds to shoot. And now Geronimo. Nice out. Ito ang kaba ng control roll. 14 seconds, last 14 seconds. 5 nga naman ng Barangay Dos. And ang Custodio. 11 seconds, 93, 19.